everyone. So for today, this is Game Dev Vlog Week 2 Day 14. And for today, I was able to solve this bug that I was encountering, which is the index out of bounds of the array. And I figured out that it was just basically an issue with the audio manager prefab that doesn't have the array number 8 for the character sound effect that I just created for the attack of our player. And so far I've done semantic versioning. I'm trying to implement semantic versioning for the version numbers of what patches and updates that I've done. So I'm incrementing the 0.3 here, which is more on small bug fixes or update for small bug fixes. So if I'm going to add a feature, that means I'll need to update the 0.1 on the second option. And then for small bug fixes, it will be 0.3, the third option or third part. And then the last part will be more on packages that I'll be including into the asset pack of the project. Just trying to really comprehend how this is going to work for me. So now, if I try to play this, you should be able to hear the intro. Okay. So that's working. I was able to, because the bug was making that sound effect not work. And I was also able to implement this. Let me just pause this. Okay. For today, I was also able to add this rain effect in our game. So you would see now that we have that rain effect for Datu's quest. So that's it for the Game Dev Vlog for Week 2 Day 14 for Datu's quest.